back to Ying Sweet Ladies Place once again. My name is Sinka. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to make a circular sleeve. For this circular sleeve, you can shift two different looks. None is better than the other. All depends on the style you're trying to achieve. Here are the measurements I'm going to be using for this tutorial. My sleeve length is 8 inches, then my total armhole round is 19 inches. And to get the radius for my circular sleeve, I need to divide my total armhole round by 6.28. So my total armhole round is 19 inches. Divided by 6.28 give me 3.04. Then I'm going to minus my seam allowance of 0.5 from this 3.04, which give me 2.5. So the radius for my circular sleeve is 2.5. Please try and calculate yours so that you can have a perfect sleeve. All right, so let's get into the project. So the very first step you're going to take is to measure your armhole round. Whatever project you're working on, after joining your shoulders together and your side seam, you're going to be measuring the armhole round, just like I'm showing you here. Starting from one armpit to the other, like from your armpit to your shoulder and then back to your armpit again. So after that, you're going to be folding your fabric into two. You can see my fabric is already folded into two. Then after that, I'll fold it downward now, just like I'm showing you now, into 4. So this fabric is already folded into 4. Then after that, I'm going to measure my sleeve length. My sleeve length is 8 inches, like I said. Starting from this point, you measure down your sleeve length. Then you continue to rotate the sleeve length and be making your point, just like I'm showing you. Keep rotating the sleeve length all around, just like I'm doing here. Then after that, you're going to connect the points together. So the next thing is to first notch this point, just like I'm showing you here. You notch it, then after that, you cut on this your sleeve length. Just cut it out. I'm showing you the first sleeve, the first look of the circular sleeve. All right, so after that, you open it. So after opening it, this is how it looks. You have a semicircle just like this. All right, so this is your sleeve length. Then from this midpoint where you notched, you are going to measure twice your radius. The radius is 2.5 multiplied by 2, that is 5. So I'm going to measure 5. Then after that, I will locate the midpoint between these 2 points. From my notched part and the 5 inches, I will mark the midway, which is 2.5. So you can just chalk your notched part, just like I'm showing you here as well. All right, so after that, starting from this midway in between this point, that is your radius, you can see this is the midway. Starting from this midway, you're going to continue to rotate your 2.5 radius all around. The radius is 2.5, just continue to rotate it, just like I'm showing you now. Then after that, you're going to be cutting it out. So this long part is the part that is going to be connected to your shoulder. You need to notch it. The part that is going to be joined to your shoulder. That's the shoulder point, while this smaller part is the underarm point, that is your armpit. So just notch your shoulder and also your underarm, just like I've done there. Shoulder. So after opening the sleeve, this is the outcome. Make sure you put them the way it's supposed to be. The part that is going to be to the shoulder, put them on the shoulder, while the smaller parts, put it on your underarm joining. So moving on to the second look, place your fabric into two fold. You can see this fabric is placed into two fold, and the amount of the fold over is your sleeve length plus your radius. Then the length is going to be twice your radius plus twice your sleeve length. Then after that you cut it out. So basically you are cutting out a square that measures twice your sleeve length plus twice your radius on all the four angles. So after opening it now, the four angles is twice your sleeve length plus twice your radius. So the next thing is to place it on fold. First fold into two, then you fold over into four. So this fabric is folded into four now. So after that, you are going to be measuring your radius. The radius is 2.5. So I'll measure the 2.5 starting from this point. I'll measure the 2.5 and I'll continue to rotate the 2.5 all around. Then after that, I'll measure the sleeve length. Starting from the radius point, just measure down your sleeve length. Then from that point now, you are going to be rotating the answer all around, starting from the tip to the actual length. Just rotate it all around like I'm showing you here. Then after that, you connect the points together and then you are going to cut it out. So the next thing is to cut the radius out as well. So if you open it, this is how it looks. The next thing is just to put your notch so that you can know the part that is going to the shoulder and the side that is going to the underarm. And here is the outcome of this second look. So this is the outcome of this second look. Can you see? It's beautiful. It drapes so beautifully well. So you can decide whichever look you want to go for. So both of them are always beautiful. Depends on the look you are trying to achieve. All right. Let me know in the comment section the one you prefer. Both of them are beautiful. Let me know whether you prefer A or B. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please kindly do so. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.